management 1, question set 1. There is a scenario and 3 questions. The scenario is the data of all the students and teachers of Pinnadu Mahavidyalaya are stored in books. As a result, some of data has been destroyed. Therefore, the principal of the school has decided to enter the data of all students and teachers in the school into computer software. The software was commissioned by AI Soft. Assume you work as a software engineer for that company, and the part you are assigned is to create the database. To do this, create a database using the information below. So there is a school called Pinnadu Mahavidyalaya, and they use books to store their data. Because of this, some of the data has been destroyed and lost, and this can be due to natural causes or human error. Because of these reasons, the principal has decided to create a software and enter all this teachers' data and student data into this software. The AI Soft company is going to build this software, and I have to assume that I'm a software engineer of this company, and my task is to create the database. So the first task is to create a database called SchoolDB to store teacher and student data. The second task is to create a table called students to store students data. They have given us a student table, and these are the column names, data types for these columns, and the length. The third task is to create a table called teacher to store teachers data. In here also they have given us a teacher table, column names, and data types, length. I'm going to use MySQL Workbench to complete this task. Okay, the database and the tables. Right click on here and click on create schema, and in here add the database name, which is SchoolDB, and click apply. This is the SQL query to create the database, and double click on SchoolDB and right click on tables and click on create table. It will open a new tab, and in here you can add the table names, column names, and data types. So the table name is student, first column is index number Vacha 10. This means Vacha 10. This Vacha is variable character, and Vacha inside bracket 10 means when you add data you can only add 10 characters, maximum 10 characters, can't go above 10. PK is primary key. Primary key is a unique key to identify each record or table data. So in here every student has his or her own index number, unique index number, and NN means not null. Not null means you can't keep this column empty when entering data. You must add data to this column. The second column is first name, Vacha 25. The third column is last name, Vacha 45. The next column is gender, Vacha 10. Contact number, Vacha 10. Address, Vacha 16. Now I have added all the necessary columns, data types, and the table name, and click apply here. This is the SQL query to create the to create tables. Click apply again. Now double click on tables, and it will show the student table that we just created. And if you hover over the student table, it's going to display three icons, and click on this last icon, and it will show all the details about this table, the column names and the data. Now this table is empty because I didn't add any data. So we are going to repeat the same steps to create the teacher table. Again, right click on this tables, create table, add the name, table name teacher. In teachers table, the primary key is the teacher registration number, Vacha 10. First name, the next column is first name 45, the third column is last name 45, gender 10, contact number 10, 10, email 50. Apply again, close. And I have completed all the tasks that given in the question set 1. Thank you.